Hello everyone. Hand hygiene is the most basic thing we can do to prevent the transmission of coronavirus. But what about the no stock board in the sanitizer section in the stores? Well, don't worry. In this video, we shall make a sanitizer ourselves. Things needed are rubbing alcohol. This is also known as isopropyl alcohol. Well, I ordered it on Amazon. We just need to ensure that the percentage of the alcohol in it is 70 to 99% so that it can kill the bacteria. We also need aloe vera gel. As alcohol is going to dry out our hands, so to prevent it from drying out our hands, we just mix some aloe vera gel in it. And trust me, it's great for the skin. Well, if you want to add some scent to it, then we can add a few drops of essential oil. Here I used tea tree oil. We also need a little bottle to put it in. The rubbing alcohol and aloe vera gel are to be taken in a 2:1 ratio. Put them into the bottle and add 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil in it and mix it all well. We may separate the aloe vera lumps by pouring the clear sanitizer into another bottle this way. That's it. Squeeze a little amount of sanitizer in your palm. Rub it over the front and the back and even in between the fingers until it's dry. Don't use a hand sanitizer if your hands are visibly dirty. Just go to the sink and wash your hands with soap and water. And here's the right way to wash your hands. Wet your hands with clean running water and apply soap. Rub your hands palm to palm, back of both the hands and in between your fingers. Clasp your hands together and rub both the sides and then clean around your thumbs too. Rub your fingertips in the palm of your hands and finish with the wrist. Rinse your hands really well with water. Then dry them thoroughly with a paper towel and use the same towel to turn off the tap. There you go, your hands are now clean. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you do. Comment and subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.